Go takes security very seriously, but how do you, the developer, keep track of the vulnerabilities in your codebase? You could manually review the vulnerabilities for each and every one of your dependencies, but ain't nobody got time for that. govulncheck is a command line tool that scans your project's imported packages for known issues in the Go vulnerability database, a comprehensive source of known security flaws in public Go modules. It doesn't just check dependencies, it verifies that you actually call the vulnerable code. Install govulncheck using go install. Then run the command inside your module. You can also run govulncheck directly in your editor using the Go extension for Visual Studio Code, or in your CI/CD workflows using Cloud Build or GitHub Actions. With govulncheck, you can go to bed on time and rest assured that your apps are free from known security vulnerabilities. For more information on how to get going with govulncheck and all things Go, check the links in the video description and head to go.dev.